And we'll get you a video on the back side, and I know there's some pictures in the listing with the stock stompers on this head. Go ahead, Andrew.
Yeah, so I was mentioning about the self-adjusting deck plates, but I really think that is one of the cool and good features that this Drago provides. We just really like how it does, even in some do-your corn there in the morning. You can really start just a little bit earlier. It doesn't seem to ball up as like some other heads could.
And would you and I don't mean to put the owners on the spot, but it's nice to have them here when we do this. Would you go to the field with this thing today?
For sure.
Yeah, this one's really, really clean, guys. If you're, and these Dragos, these used Dragos, it's nice, are not sitting on every street corner. So if you're looking for an 8-row head, it'd be hard to beat this one. This thing's available to come inspect and take a look at it. It's located in southeastern Indiana, just south of Indianapolis a little ways. Give us a call if you have any questions.